அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். குட் மார்னிங் எவ்ரிபடி. திஸ் இஸ் நியூ டெக்னாலஜி ஆஃப் electrolysis for clean hydrogen. Low cost superconductor water splitter to generate clean hydrogen with a AAA 1.5 volt battery. This is different all kind of electrolysis method because input is less than 200 millivolt and external heat is 120 degree Celsius only. Using 600 degree heat resistant and dielectric borosilicate ceramic container and aluminum porous strip electrode and electrolyzing and boiling works at a time in one container. This is main important. Both works at a time means electrolyzing and boiling works at a time in one container. It is main. It is main important. And DC back EMF problem redirect to split water continuously by silicon semiconductor diode. Now I am telling the needs of component. Multimeter AAA 1.5 battery, 100K potential meter, 1 ampere silicon semiconductor diode, 100 ml heat resistant and dielectricity borosilicate container, 60 ml 1:6 H2SO4 diluted water and LPG gas burner. Problem and solution. When water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, it loses its density and goes to zero electric resistance, means 0 ohms. So it is possible to reduce input voltage as much as possible. Major problem of DC back EMF. Number 2. Why can't make hydrogen cheaper yet? Why can't make hydrogen cheaper? Because the DC back EMF is reason. DC back EMF reason, when reducing input voltage, the hydrogen and oxygen fuel cells, the hydrogen oxygen fuel cell gives an EMF of 0.73 volt and electric current ceased. This problem can solved by semiconductor diode. This technique is invented in 1976 by space scientist S. Vengatesan, patent holder of CCW hydrogen engine. CCW engine inventor and student union. Expecting result. Total input is approximately 80 watts for 60 ml H2SO4 1:6 diluted water. When splitting the 60 ml water gives approximately 7 gram hydrogen. 1 gram hydrogen equal to 40 watts. 7 gram hydrogen is equal to 280 watts. Output is more than input by quantum technology. Reference taken from number 1, Moon and Carl Longer, 1889. American scientist, gas battery scientist, clean hydrogen project scientist. Number 2 is Vengatesan. Number 2 is his book of CCW engine book. S. Vengatesan in 1976, CCW engine hydrogen engine. Number 3, 2014. Number 3, 2014, Stanford scientist Hong Si Doi and Ming Kong, splitting water using AAA 1.5 battery at room temperature using nickel porous strip and nickel oxide catalyst. Number 4. Number 4, 2019. Number 4, 2019. Brown University scientist. Number 4, 2019. Brown University scientist. Goldilocks problem in electrolysis on platinum E-rod. Now I am starting the process. Now I am starting the process. I burn up the LPG stove. Slowly water heats up and slowly reduce the voltage automatically. You see the reducing, you see the temperature rise up. The multimeter showing the problem, the multimeter showing the result. Now check the room temperature. Check the room temperature. Room temperature is 33 Celsius and borosilicate outer heat is 86 and inner diluted water 60 ml diluted water heat is 100. Now it goes to reduce the voltage. Sometimes it goes to minus voltage. The heat is rising and the density is reducing. Both are same at a time. Electrolyzing and water boiling at a time in one container. This is latest technology. The temperature rise up. The temperature rise up and the density decreasing up. The slowly hydrogen bubbles are coming. The slowly oxygen bubbles are coming. Hydrogen evolution reaction is faster and oxygen evolution reaction is faster. At now seeing the temperature, outer temperature is almost 130 degree Celsius. The inner 60 ml heat is temperature is almost 123. Now it takes only 73 millivolt at outer temperature. The borosilicate outer temperature 130 degree Celsius. The 60 ml diluted water temperature is almost 120 degree Celsius. It takes only 76 millivolt. I go to artificially reduce the voltage. Now it takes 50 millivolt. Now it takes 2 millivolt. And again I go to reduce the voltage. It goes to minus voltage. That's all. This is very fast. Hydrogen evolution very fast. Oxygen evolution bubbles are very fast. The latest technology. This is space scientist Venkatesa technology. Thank you, everybody. Minus millivolt at 120 degree Celsius diluted water. Evolution process. Very much. Thank you very much.